Well, today, buyers, you find me standing proudly in front of 1A Hallinan Court, setting new standards in bayside living. How about we go inside and experience exactly what all the fuss is about? So now that you've been introduced to the home's striking facade, allow me to take you on inside to introduce you to some of the other features that elevates this home above other townhouses that have been on the market. So upstairs complements that house-like feel as well. We have this great teenagers retreat area and also a designated study zone. So our bedroom accommodation takes it even one further. The main bedroom has a huge walk-in robe and stunning ensuite, and it's separate to the two further bedrooms upstairs. Well, there's nothing left for me to say, but there's still heaps for you to see. So I look forward to seeing you at our very next Open for Inspection.